bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see.
Happy Monday, everybody. Well, not really happy, because we're going back to Sunderland. Shit, really. It's bank holiday Monday, but at least I get paid for it. So, just make sure everything's sorted out. House is all locked up. Missus is ready. We've always got a load of stuff to take every time we go. I bet a lot of it's in the car already. You ready for it, babe? You got a headache? Okay. Migraines. Mrs. gets a lot of them. So today we're taking the Range Rover for the first long trip, and we're going to see how it gets on. So firstly, we'll load the car up. You've always got to have a big car when you've got a missus like mine, guys, because she takes the kitchen sink and everything when we go. So hopefully this will be alright for her. This is looking very shiny. Let's try my gadgets. Love that part. That's completely lazy bastard. Nice and clean in the back. And plenty of room for Mrs. C to dump all her shit. Should be no good with a small car, guys. What, are you driving?
No, I mean I put the bag. How can it's locked in, babe?
It is locked, so I only unlock the boot. Quick idiot check. Yep, I'm still here. It's a nice little button just up here, look. First driving the Ranger. And I've even put a little holder in there for the Osmo Pocket 3. So we need to get fuel and then we'll hit the M1. Alright, time to fire this beast up and get this aircon on. That's all its checks. Aircon's on. And it's connecting to my phone. Apple CarPlay. Woo! Bringing the temperature down already. You're in a nice place, babe. Is she very happy today, my missus? She doesn't look very happy. Are you very happy, babe? Okay. This is in the way, but it can stay there for now.
Put it there.
I don't want to put it there. I like it there. So I've set my average miles per gallon because it's a 2.5 hour drive up the motorway. We'll see what sort of miles per gallon we get out of it. Ascension's record's 47 in hers, but hers is only half the engine size. It's a 2.2. This is a 4.4. So let's go.
Did you turn the camera on?
She's henpecking me again, guys. Backing out into the main road. That's what causes accidents. Lovely day today. 30 degrees. Well, actually it's gone down. It's 28 degrees now according to the car. But it is a really sunny, warm day. I've not put the aircon on yet because I don't have my microphone set up. And if I had the air conditioning on, all you'd hear was the aircon through the vents near to the camera. But we'll put that on in a bit. Such a smooth car. Very smooth. You can hear noise, that's because I've got the window open at the moment. So if the window's up, it's got double glazed glass as well, so it's really, really quiet. It's got a big panoramic sunroof as well up there, same as the missus has got.
This is in my face, isn't it?
What?
The sun.
It's in your face?
Yeah.
Right, so what do you do when the sun's in your face? What do you do in your car? Where's your button? Because it's the Range Rover, the same as this bloke. Where's your button? Okay, shit. One, not a solid one. To be honest, I prefer it like this because it lets light in as well. But each to their own. I'm going to try and drive this sensibly today. I think a 4.4 V8 twin turbo and me being sensible don't mix normally, but I'm going to have a go. Just on the way to the petrol station at the minute, and I'm doing 21 miles to the gallon. I'll just update that on the journey, guys. Yeah, really smooth, comfortable car. Riding on airbags, air suspension. Sat in these lovely big black armchairs.
The whole week is doing the car.
Because I'm trying to make it nice and clean.
Until you mess up the screen of the
Oh, the radio.
radio.
Yeah, I pushed the wrong button and it went blank, and I couldn't get it back from being black. So I had to strip all the dashboard out, take the radio out, disconnect all the electrical cables so it would reset.
I don't know why keep fiddling anything in the car.
Well, at least I know all the cables are good behind the dashboard now, because I've taken them all out, put them all back in again. Right. There's a petrol station. It's normally really expensive to fill these bad boys up. I've got just over half a tank at the moment, so we'll see how much it costs. Right, that's the tank filled up. Everything's got a full tank in this house, guys. If you know, you know. That cost, bearing in mind I was 1 mark over the halfway. That cost £60. We've now apparently got a range of 536 miles. Apparently. Quiet car. It's got a massive engine, you can hardly hear it until you put your boot down a bit. So a range of 536 miles. I'm going to monitor my driving style today. See what I can get out of this at the normal speed limits. I'm gonna have a go.
You're a bit rough, isn't it?
It's called a lead foot in the UK, babe.
Rough, isn't it?
It's called a lead foot. Or a heavy right foot.
Put your mic back because it's cancelling all the noise, isn't it?
I don't need to put my mic down at all. Quite a quiet car. viewers can hear us quite well. There we go. Onto the A38. Little vibration just down near the gear stick at the moment, which wasn't there before, so I think I've disturbed something when I looked at the screen. I dropped a screw down there actually, it might be that one, but I really couldn't be bothered to find the screw again. But if it's still rattling, I know it's still in there. Beautiful day. Car's telling me it's 23 degrees now. It makes a nice change to be driving with a bit of power in the engine, because the Ranger was just choked up all the time. Yes, I'm literally just resting my foot on the throttle. I'm doing 60 miles an hour. And already it's showing me 26.1 miles per gallon. This is an 8-speed gearbox as well, automatic.
You can beat my
You're 47?
47.7, babe.
Yeah. She just likes to rub it in. 47.7 miles to the gallon.
You can beat that, babe.
Not in a 4.4 twin turbo, no babe, probably not.
Still can make that if you be rough in your foot, like this going anyway.
It's just my style of driving, babe.
It's still on my driving, isn't it?
Yeah.
Maintain your speed, isn't it?
I am doing 70. I'm doing 70. And I'm getting 28.4 now.
Still low.
Because you've got a 2.2, this is a 4.4, it's got twice the size of your engine in this. Technically, big engines rev lower. They're not doing as much work to get to the same speed as a little engine. This is doing 70, and I'm doing 1,300 RPM, which is like nothing. Absolutely nothing. And I'm getting 32.1 at the moment. 32.9. This is going to be obsessing me now all the way. 33.8, 34. Woo-hoo. Anyway. Drive it like I should normally drive it and see what we get out of it. It's coming up on the M1. This is going to piss the missus off a little bit. I've literally gone up 2 junctions of the M1 to Chesterfield. I'm doing just a little bit over 70 mile an hour. In fact, it's quite hard to keep it under 70, it just wants to go. And believe it or not, guys, I can't really take the camera off there to show you. My average miles per the gallon at the minute is 40.1. 40.1, babe.
Not 47.
No.
No, not 48.
40.2.
Still a light. It's still long to go.
Right, I'm going to give it my best shot.
Best shot.
Bearing in mind the air conditioning's on as well. So when your air con's on, it takes a bit of strain on your engine. so you don't get as much miles per gallon with aircon switched on your engine, guys. But it's a hot day. We've got the climate control set to 20 degrees Celsius, and we are absolutely comfortable. This air suspension takes some beating. On a big long drive like this is where I normally take ages to get my seat exactly how I want it and then set it into memory. It's just like a big armchair. I've got so much somewhere to put my arm. My other arm's on the side of the window because I've got a ledge about that wide we can put your elbow on. Bloody hell, I'm doing like 82 now. You don't realise just how quick these cars are. I do have another armrest here if I wanted it. Just to rest my arm on. Well, I don't think you need it, because you've got a massive CAD armrest just down here. Let's get this back onto the speed limit again. Bloody hell, I'm doing like 73, 75 now. Ooh, look at that, babe. What does that say on the dashboard? Can you read it? You can't. No, just there, babe. What's that say? Oh, is that a 4? Oh, is that a 2.5? What does that mean, babe?
Still not 48.
You didn't get 48. You got 47.5.
Or 47.7, babe.
Oh, okay. That's because you drive like Miss Daisy.
Yeah, it's the minimum speed 70, isn't it?
Right, I'm going to drive like Miss Daisy now.
70, isn't it?
I will piss myself laughing if this big old hulking flipping tank has better miles per gallon than your 2.2 Evoque. Let's just get it back under 70. We're doing 43 to the gallon now, babe. 43 to the gallon in a 4.4 twin turbo diesel bloody great Ranger that's weighs 2.5 tons. Oh my god. Oh, 43.9. Well, somebody's going to be eating the words quite soon, maybe. I know the viewers don't believe me, but I've got the camera set up there. Once I get this camera off that mount, I can show you the dashboard, guys. 44.4. Oh, she's sweating a bit now. There's a strong possibility here, guys, that the Queen's record could possibly be toppled with a car weighing twice as much as hers and with twice the size of the engine. Stay tuned, but we're at 44.4 at the moment, guys. Right, guys, finally got the camera off. Just want to show you something. It's going to piss her right off. What does that say? She's not seen it yet. Definitely not seen it yet, has she? Anyway, I'm trying my cruise control out. This thing. Now, apparently, you've got normal cruise control. Well, I'm set according to that dashboard at 70 at the moment. I've got a little green mark over the 70. But there's some more buttons. Just here and here. And what these do, they set the gap between me and the car in front. So let's say I'm set at 70 miles an hour at the moment, which I am. I'm set at 70. There's a radar in the front of this car, and it's measuring the distance to the front of my car and the back of that car. So I'm set at 70. If that car in front of me slows down, and that gap gets smaller, this car will slow down automatically. It'll brake, like this one now, watch. Now the car's braking. And it's slowing me down. Once that silver car starts to speed up again, like now, this will speed up. Which it has done. Exactly at 70 miles an hour. That's quite funky. So not only does it set the speed at 70 when I set it at 70, but it also measures the distance from the car in front. So if that car slows down, I'll slow down. If the car gets out of the way, this will speed up again back to 70, unless something else comes in its path. Wow. Range Rovers are so cool. What do you think, babe?
Yeah, well, mind you, thanks to you driving, holding the camera, holding the steering wheel, please. Oh.
Got a simple way around this. There you go. I'm on adaptive cruise control at the minute.
You want me to switch it off now?
No! You won't need it, mate. Oh, watch. See how the car slows down now? Because that grey one moved in front. Now it's moving away, my car's speeding up. I think it's pretty alright, isn't it? Guys, Mrs. C's moody. Do you know why she's moody? Because I just asked her to look at the bottom of the dashboard and tell me what that little number said there. Oh, 48.5 I believe it says.
I'm not moody because of that, babe. I got migraine since this morning, you know that?
Okay.
To keep throwing up in the bathroom.
I'm glad you threw up in the bathroom and nowhere else. Oh well. Migraine or not, I think I made the right choice buying a 4.4 V8.
Yeah, but the car is driving for you, not you pedaling any, babe. That's the big difference,
I've got my adaptive cruise control on. So whether it's driving for me or not, the miles per gallon I'm getting back from this car at the moment.
There's a big difference, isn't it?
Yeah. It just means it's doing it for me.
Yeah, it's doing for you because your driving is, too much.
Well, I'm driving it responsibly, look.
Responsibly. The car is doing for you. That's a big difference, isn't it?
Because it can, babe. I've got adaptive cruise control set. I don't have to worry about braking, accelerating. Just set it under the speed limit and let the car do the work. Oh, 48.2. It was saying 48.5 earlier on. It's true what they say about these size engine, guys. Get a 4.4 because it revs. The revolutions of the engine is like small. A smaller engine, like a 2.2, like its engines, has to rev more to do the same thing. So it'll take a little bit more fuel. That's why these are so economical. Anyway, I'm as happy as a pig in shit. I was expecting 30, 32, something like that. Not 48.5, babe.
Wait, the car is driving for you, ain't it, babe?
Right, guys. We're doing a scientific experiment. Ascension's moaning now. She thinks I've cheated because I've used cruise control to get 48.7. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn off my cruise control. There we go. Now I'm going to do it all on my foot. Let's see if we can get any better than 48.7 without the cruise control, because that will piss Mrs. C off even more. So now we're doing it without cruise control.
I'm not even having competition, babe.
You'll say that, bad loser. She's been so proud of the fact she gets 48 point, what was it, out of yours? Oh, what's your best, babe?
It was
I can't remember. Remind
the
me.
dementia or something.
Oh, 48.9 I've got now, guys. This is without the cruise control, I might add. 49. He doesn't believe me. 49.1. 49.2. Amazing, guys. Yeah, definitely think that says something like 49.4 at the moment. Wow. Any comments, babe? And these things were too good to be true. Went down to 50, then 40, and now we've got the traffic jam. Good news is, guys, you're not going to believe this, you'd never believe it. 49.5 miles to the gallon out of a 4.4 V8 Range Rover. Absolutely outstanding. I must admit though, I did turn the aircon off just to get to that 49.5. So let's flick that back on again. It's going to get noisy. Wow. Typical bank holiday traffic. I can see that traffic jam going right up to where them windmills are at the top of that hill. I can see the road and the blue signs disappearing. That's going to cost us 30 minutes maybe on the journey. Never mind. Never mind. We're in comfort. Just put the cooling seats on. We've got the temperature set to 20 degrees. And we're in armchairs. Ascension's found a fridge. I'll take that. So inside, don't know if you'll see that. Maybe you'll see it. There's a fridge down here under this look. Was it cold in there, babe? Oh yeah.
I just need it for my Canada.
Yeah.
I feel sick.
So underneath there's a fridge. How many cans of pop you put in there, babe?
It's 8.
8 cans? Wow. Was there any room left?
Yeah. 2 more.
So you get about 10 cans of pop in there.
2 more there.
Yeah.
2 more.
So you get 10 cans of pop in that fridge for the armrest. Really love this car. Obviously with the aircon back on now, still get
If I drink.
49 to the gallon. That is amazing for something this big.
Can we stop somewhere, vibe later?
What toilet?
No, to throw up. Sick, babe.
Yeah, we need some services down.
My eyes is hurting a lot.
You need to go to Specsavers, babe. When you lay there at night on your iPad or your phone with the lights off, concentrating on that little screen, and your eyes start straining, gives you migraine.
She's sleeping never, so we off the TV off.
You normally got the TV on and you're looking at the iPad at the same time. But that's why you're getting headaches. You need glasses. I know you don't like hearing it, but you need glasses. I know that because before I started wearing glasses, I had the same problem. It's lovely traffic jam, look. At least we're nice and comfortable. Right. Mrs. has found something to do while we're in traffic. Now she's smiling. She's got YouTube on. We can have this on actually, because it's what they call OPM. It's not copyright.
Tagalog in the music. I like the music, you can that one.
Easily please, Mrs.
And it's in my car though. This one.
Right, I've got to buy her an Android Auto now for her car. Costing me a fortune, guys. That was a nice relaxing drive. A bit of Ozzy Osbourne playing in the background. Cruise control set at 80. Just stopping in the usual Scotch corner now. Not for coffee today because we're skint. I need a leak. It's obviously going to be full in here again today because it's bank holiday. Well, I'll probably piss myself by the time I get parked up. We seem to hit motorway services when it's busy, guys. Usual Scotch corner. All going for parking. All I want is fuel. Nice stress relieving drive up here, but on the way you get stress just by simple things like trying to drive. At least I know the sensors are working. Surprise, surprise. Somewhere to park now. So I'm just going to park right here. Because all I want is the toilet.
Moments later.
Right. That's the piss break over. It's red hot out there. Really appreciate getting back in this thing and having the aircon back on again. Absolutely busy today. This is why I don't like people that much. So when we move to the Philippines, living in a province, I'll be happy. I won't have to put up with all this shit on a daily basis. Well, the car's done very, very well at the moment. We've done, or we've got 500 and, where are you going? 516 miles. That's it, just cut in front of me, mate. That's a bell end driver. Started from the left of me, cut across the front of me to go right. Anyway, what was I saying? We've still got 516 miles of range, which is not bad. The fuel gauge has hardly moved. Apparently, it won't show me how many miles we've done because I've got it on automatic. So that means I've reset my fuel economy as well. But we've been averaging about 46 to the gallon. That's between 70 and 80 mile an hour, guys. Set the cooling seats, the ignition's being off. But the car, not missed a beat. It does smoke a little bit when you give it heavy acceleration. But I'm hoping that this long run we're doing is going to stop enough to that, because I don't think the car's had enough long runs to regenerate the DPF, because where it was before, it was just driving around the countryside. So we'll see. I did a little bit of decoking work on it yesterday. I took the EGR pipe out of the plenum manifold. It was absolutely coked up with black shit, as you normally get on EGR pipes. 4 of the 8 intake holes were blocks, so I've cleaned all that out, and that's made some difference. It doesn't smoke on normal acceleration, it's just when you really gun it. But I did notice there was a little bit of oil coming back into the intake plenum after I'd cleaned everything up and stripped it again to take a look, fresh oil, which tells me it's either a turbo drain hose. There's a mod for these. I don't know if it's had it done by Land Rover or not, or it could be the, I think it's a PCV valve, which might have had a split in the diaphragm. Anyway, I've WhatsApped the guy where we bought it from, because it's got warranty on it, just to tell him what I found, what it's doing, what it's not doing, and then we'll probably just take it and have it looked at, get it assessed. It's something and nothing. It doesn't affect the car's driving. No, it's perfect. It's just when I put my foot to the floor, the second turbo kicks in, it puts a puff of smoke out the back. So I'm not really complaining. On the whole, I'm really, really happy with the car. It's very good. Nearly there, guys. Well, apart from that little bit of smoking, heavy acceleration, which we'll get looked at, the car's been perfect. We're averaging 46 miles to the gallon. It's comfortable, quick. That fuel tank gauge has hardly moved. It's a really nice place to be. Nearly there now. Next stop, Posh Shop. When we get in there, we'll be turning off in a minute. Okay, we're here. She's done well. Posh shopping now with Mrs. C. Good old Aldi. It's even better when the company's paying for everything. So, thought we'd bring you with us. Aldi, Washington. Bit of fresh mango. Well, remember, a couple of nice garlics and a bit of ginger. And some eggplants, because we always have eggplants.
Aubergine.
Oh, aubergine.
Talong.
What's it called?
Talong.
Palong. I've already got ginger. I've already got garlic.
How many did you get this?
2. I'll drive. Wonder if she needs rice. I hate shopping, unless it's for mum things. Need rice?
Yes.
And she'll go for the korma curry. That'll be the next thing she goes for. Nah. Korma as usual. I'm having 2 this time. What? Balti? I don't think I liked it last time. Tikka masala? Is that, what's that say? I haven't got my glasses on.
This is Rogan.
Rogan Josh.
You do not. There, tikka masala.
I'll have one of them then. I'll have a tikka masala.
Coconut.
They're tomato. Let me get my specs on, guys. Can't see shit without it. What next? Pork shoulder. Yeah, can have some of that. No, tired of ribs. If there's any of them bacon and sausage things though. Oh yeah, bacon and cheese, bacon and cheese, bacon and cheese. Let me get some of them. 1 or 2 of those. We'll take them home and we'll end up barbecuing them. Don't forget the chicken. I don't think we need small ones.
What are you having tonight?
Pizza and chips. I fancy pizza and chips. Right, I'm going to grab one of these. I've got the taste for them now. Get one of those. Get Essentials. Pork belly. Yeah? 2 or 3? 3.
Like you get pork chop.
No. This is a bit of our thinking. They should introduce insurance for shopping trolleys within the supermarket, because people drive like bellends, weaving in and out of traffic, just like you've seen on the A1 guys.
You want juice?
No, no juice. And then you got your obstructions. They're very good at that in Aldi, just leaving things in the middle. Cheese, milk. Okay. Next. Mozzarella. And Essential normally gets a yoghurt from here. She likes the Greek yoghurt.
They get a new one or something.
What new one? Oh yeah, you get all the different, like these Taste of America things. Sometimes I get some really good stuff in here, to be honest. Got all your hot sauces. And yeah, it's just a stirring pasta sauce. Seasonings. To be honest, we've got most of the sauces and things for the barbecue from here. We've got loads of it. She wants the yogurts now. Coconut yogurt. But she's that short. She can only just reach. Normally I get asked to do the big stuff. No, I don't want any more of that. We've got loads of this stuff. We bought loads of it. We don't need any more spices, babe. Do you want any pancakes or anything? No. No? Okay. Right, eggs are right back down there again where we started. While she's getting her eggs, I'll get some water. Yes. She likes the water. Lemon and lime. Peach and passion fruit. And then we'll get some strawberry ones, I suppose. A couple of strawberry. You see it all on this channel, guys. Posh shopping, driving, moods. We're coming up on the most important bit at the moment. Not the crisps. Mrs. I'm on a diet.
Not every day.
No, it always comes tomorrow, doesn't it, babe? And as we know, tomorrow never comes. Grab a beer, babe. Got the obligatory screaming child in here as well. Got to have a screaming child. So just drop that in there, babe. Let's see if we can spot the screaming child. Wow. Oh yeah, looking at the state of the mother, I think I'd be screaming as well. Looks like she's married to the honey monster. Dysfunctional family. So glad my kids are grown up. Don't have to put up with this crap anymore. What's she up to? Nope, she's changed her mind. This is why I don't like shopping with women.
Super assistant required until 3, please.
Little bit of distraction going on. Okay. Here's some chips. Chicken bits. Oh, they're right over there, aren't they? I don't know what temperature the chicken is, but I'll try some.
You want the spicy one too? Or?
That's spicy. There we go. Now we want to have a lot of freezer space, so what do you want to do?
I'll leave it this one.
Okay, leave one there. I think that's about it. Oh yeah, coffee. Nah, it's too healthy. Got plenty of cereal left at home. They do a nice coffee here at Aldi. Colombian. These are quite nice. I'll get 4 of them. Right, time to join the queue. And as usual, our friendly lady's here. Love this lady. She's always here. What you don't know, she's going to be on YouTube today. Hiya, Pet. What's your name?
Karen.
Karen. This is Karen. She looks after us every Sunday. So Karen's on YouTube today. Oh, aye, it is. And she corrects me. Right, let's get this stuff loaded up.
Moments later.
Right, we're saying bye to Karen. See you, Karen.
Bye-bye.
See you next week, but right, here we go. She's lovely. I didn't tell her what the channel name is. She's got lost. It's a big white thing. It's right over there, you can see it. not actually that many people here today. I expected more people.
Public holiday, isn't it?
You got it there, you got the trolley?
Yeah, I got the trolley.
Need to get the keys out of your pocket. Do the next flashy bit.
I thought we got more bill. It's alright.
Good, isn't it? There we go. This is why we need a big car for when the missus goes shopping. That's another thing with these Range Rovers, guys. Absolutely so much room in them. If I use them buttons there, these two, electrically I can make them seats fold flat. It's really funky. Cool. Ah, very flash. Then you've got opening on here. All you got to do is put your hand in. Like that. And it opens for you. The missus just said, I forgot to buy the toilet tissue. So I just answered no shit. Well, technically it is no shit, isn't it? We won't be having any shit because we've got no toilet paper. Essentially, we'll have to get, what do they call it, the tablum out. Tabo, which is a bucket and a little bowl to wash her backside with. Yeah, right, you can have that. Because I'm doing the fancy bit like driving at the moment.
11%.
How much? 11? Okay.
I thought the attachment's in there anyway. What's the attachment? Normal na buy any washing stuff to the credit card anyway, so even toilet tissue. So I always
What do they expect us to wipe his asses on?
since we are using the credit card, babe, so now buy washing stuff for clothes.
We should do, because we're renting the apartments for the business. So living up here really is for the business. So any of the expenses like washing powder, dishwashing tablets, cleaning stuff, toilet roll, food, it should all be paid for by the company anyway. Anyway, we're nearly there now.
So you need to start buying that in the credit card now, because we use the credit card to buy tissue and stuff, and I always go there and get some if I have money, innit?
Yep. So a boat. I'll be getting confused now here because every time we come we've got a different car. The only thing I don't like about this is the electric gate. If you haven't got a remote, the buttons are on the left hand side.
The cleaning people is here.
So Ascension normally has to get out and work on the keypad to let us in. There we go. I'll park it in the usual spot, which is over here. I've always got the same place I like to park, so I can see it from the flat window. Oh well, it even tells me on the front when we're close to hitting something. Right, it's got to get all this crap upstairs now.
You want the battery attachment?
No, babe. I'm going to cut the video short soon. That's it. Let's get this stuff up to the apartment. See you in a minute. This is all the stuff we have to cart up here each week. 3 or 4 bags of shopping. Ascension's usually loaded up. Yep. She's safe. Oh, I got my number plate swapped over as well. Right, let's get this from here all the way up to number 4 up there. Bloody good exercise. Back at UK-PINAY residence number 2. Even the missus is knackered, look. Mrs. C, physical fitness. She's got a pain now, look.
Because I carried that one in my shoulder, isn't it?
You did, babe, yeah.
Heavy, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It's got nothing to do with that at all.
It's not to do with it. It's not nothing to do, it's to do with it.
That's the important thing.
We'll die in that.
Coconut water, bottled water,
Yes.
milk, frozen stuff,
And meat.
and meat. Steve's laptop. That's got to go to work tomorrow.
This 100 quid. We don't spend too much to this way.
We didn't, did we?
If I get all the toilet tissue.
And there's my laptop, which I need because I'll be editing these videos. Excuse me.
If I get all the washing stuff. Oh.
Oh well, home sweet home again. So much junk.
Probably when why you buying all this washing stuff?
I'm not bothered. Not bothered what they say. Right. Chicken strips, chilies. Got loads of coffee. We'll take a lot of it home with us.
Yeah,
We're not going to use it all in one week. But I've got like so much I need to spend every week to get my money's worth on the company card.
Some people they spend more than you anyway.
Yeah, we can go out and do £200 on a curry easily with the
Steak.
with the rest of the managers and steaks and beers whenever we want to go out for a little night out.
They keep complaining, oh, why you buy a beer? Okay, you go to the bar, £5 a pint.
What we got in here? Oh, look at that. Thank you.
Look, it's empty.
The cupboard is bare. There's a bottle of wine down there, look. That's been there months. That's the butter. We've got Ascension's ice cream, which you forgot to buy today because we've got loads in there already. Hey, more alcohol there. That's Ascension's. Like a Bailey's. I don't know what that one is. Half a bottle of pina colada.
See, we don't have eggs, that's why I brought eggs.
We'll have plenty of eggs when we get the chickens in the Philippines, babe.
Yeah. We'll get chicken and pigs.
I don't know if we can keep pigs. They may not like it.
I'll give to the sister in the mountain.
Right, the battery's about to die, guys. So I'm going to say goodbye and thank you for watching and putting up with my bullshit. And thank you for our new subscribers, both on Facebook and on YouTube. So if you've not caught us on Facebook yet, guys, it's UK with a little line and then PINAY, P-I-N-A-Y. And just sign up on Facebook and you'll get to know when all the videos are uploaded. So thank you very much for watching. And hearing me talk bullshit about my car. But if you're thinking about buying a 4.4 V8 Range Rover, they're really not all that bad, guys. I'll say bye, baby.
Bye guys. Salamat po. Thanks for subscribing. And see you in the next vlog.
Yeah.
Salamat.
like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit